If you came to know that the keyword used by our competitor are significantly stronger and more effective than ours, then what we will do? Don't worry. I will proceed to delve into detailed discussion regarding their Performance Max campaign strategy. Hi everyone, and welcome back to another informative video. My name is Tanya and I am the account director at Softrix. Let's discuss how to set up competitor PMax campaign in the account and what the benefits are. Setting up Performance Max campaign to target competitors in your Google Ad account can be effective strategy to capture market share, especially if you know your competitor's weakness or have a strong unique selling proposition. Here are the step-by-step guide to set up such a campaign along with benefits. First, you need to create Performance Max campaign. On the right side, you will see an option for audience signals. Under the interest and detail demographic section, add your competitor there. The main thing to target is similar to competition site in the competitor campaigns. Benefit of targeting competitors in the PMax campaign. Competitor targeted performance PMax campaign can be a strategy asset for businesses looking to enhance their digital market efforts. These campaigns leveraging Google's Performance Max capability allow advertisers to reach potential customers who have shown interest in competitors. Here are some key benefits running such campaigns. First, increase brand visibility by targeting competitor audience. You can increase your brand visibility among potential customers who are already interested in similar product or services. This can help establish your brand as a visible alternative. Second, higher conversion rate targeting. Users who have demonstrated interest in the competitor means they are already in the consideration phase of the purchasing process. These users are more likely to convert, leading to higher conversion rate compared to broad targeting. Third, stealing market share by positioning your offering directly to your competitors. Customer, you can potentially capture a portion of their market share. This is especially benefit if you have competitive advantage such as better price, superior quality, or unique feature. Fourth, cost-effective market Performance Max campaign utilize machine learning to optimize ad placement and bids across Google entire inventory. This can result in more effective use to your ad spend, ensuring your ads are shown to the most relevant user at the right time. 5. Comprehensive reach. PMax campaign cover a wide range of Google properties including YouTube, Display, Network, Discover, and Gmail. The multiple channels approach ensure that your ads reach to broader audience, increase the chances of engaging potential customers. 6. Adaptability and scalability. PMax campaigns are flexible and scalable, allowing you to adjust your targeting parameters and the budget as needed. This adaptability ensures that your campaign remain effective as market conditions and consumer behavior evolve. 7. Competitive intelligence. Running competitor targeted campaign can provide insight into the performance of your competitor's campaign. The information can help you refine your own strategy, making your market effort more competitive. Conclusion. The conclusion of competitor PMax campaign mark a pivotal moment in our strategy. Throughout the campaign, we have meticulously analyzed market trends, consumer behavior, and competitor strategy to refine our own approach. Our efforts have not only solidified our market position but also enhanced brand recognition and customer loyalty. Moving forward, we are poised to leverage the insight gained, innovate further, deliver expectation value to our customer, and maintain our competitor edge in the industry. The success of campaign serve as a testament to our team dedication and expertise, paving the way for continued growth and achievement in the future. Please do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click on bell icon button. Thank you so much.